According to a 2020 New York Post survey, 45% of people feel like selling their home is one of the most stressful events of their lives. While selling a home can be stressful for anyone, if you're a first-time seller, it also creates a huge learning curve. If you have a loan on your home, you will need to sell your home first before you can buy another one. In the real estate world, this creates what we call a contingency sale. And it can be a tricky proposition if you don't know what you are doing. Hi, my name is Patricia Figueroa with Homes by Patricia and eXp Realty. We are well versed in helping people navigate the sticky situation of a contingency sale. We know how to safely walk our clients through a very challenging process. First things first, we need to establish if you have enough equity to put yourself in the best possible spot when we find a home that you love. We are in a hot seller's market right now, which means it's a great time to sell your house. But it also means that when you are a buyer in a seller's market, you have to be prepared. You have to be in that top spot. The way we get there is making sure that you have enough equity. I have great news. I can help you. I am happy to do a complimentary conservative market analysis of your home and let you know how much equity you have to be able to go out and use it on a new home so you can make a well-qualified decision. At Homes by Patricia, we offer a litany of cutting-edge digital marketing tools, and I am happy to share our expertise with you. If you would like to request a market analysis, please go to my website, homespatricia.com.